So let's say you are a content creator, a social media manager, or a video editor who needs to slice, edit, and put captions on long form videos and repurpose them for short form video content on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Or maybe you're an entrepreneur who needs to learn how to do it themselves. On this video, I am going to teach you how I use Bard along with Vidyo.ai to generate short form video content, which I post on YouTube as shorts and Facebook as reels. If that is something you want to learn or resonate with, then please hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and share this video to your friends who wants to learn more stuff in IT and the creative industry.
Create, grind, and unwind. Hit that record button.
Video shorts and reels are short vertical videos that are popular on social media platforms. They are typically 15 to 60 seconds long and can be used to share a variety of content such as comedy sketches, dance videos, music videos, and product reviews. There's the Instagram and Facebook reels, YouTube shorts, and of course we have the ever popular TikTok. Some of the benefits of using video shorts and reels are the following. They are really easy to create and share. You can create a video short or reel using your smartphone or computer. There are a variety of editing tools available that make it easy to add music, filters, and text to your videos. Video shorts and reels are a popular form of content on social media. This means that your videos have the potential to be seen by a large number of people. They can help you grow your social media following. When you create and share video shorts and reels, you can attract new followers to your social media accounts. This can help you build a large audience for your content. To put it simply, video shorts and reels are shared by the platform itself, whether it is YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, or Facebook. The algorithm of those platforms target the demographics and the interests or the behavior of the audience that is related to your content. A vast number of audience that are targeted by the platform's algorithm, the video will have the opportunity to be shown in a much larger audience that has not closely interacted with your page. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use Bard to generate headlines that are click-worthy when it comes to sharing a short form video on YouTube and Facebook. And then we're also going to use Vidyo.ai to automatically or to quickly edit and splice and put captions or subtitles within our short form videos. Let's dive right into it. What you want to do is go to Vidyo.ai. As you can see here, even Nas Daily or Nazir Yazin is, using Vidyo.ai, I guess. It's very easy to do. This is how it works. Import your video, set your preferences, and get your videos in a matter of minutes. Here's their features, auto video captioning. So it automatically adds captions, subtitles to the short form videos. Basically, video resizing, it resizes the videos into proper format or sizes that the platform requires, whether it is a reel or a short on TikTok. Then video clipping, basically it just clips or cuts and edits the part of the videos that AI thinks is very interesting or has a point or has a story to tell. And we have auto video chapters and then social media templates. They have templates that you can use, where the headline is, where the caption is. Of course, you have the ability to download 1080p formats, but for the free version, I think the video format is only 720 HD. My audience is mostly using a mobile device, so 1080p is not really necessary when it comes to mobile because the screen is really small. What we'll do is click on any of these call to actions, start for free. So you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or Microsoft account, or use your email and password. I'm going to use a different email that I have, so I can start fresh. I can show you the process of signing up. Which of these describes you best? What you do is you go through the sign up process for the free account. I would say I'm a podcaster. I mostly work alone, right? Make clips for my videos, subtitle, make marketing videos. So just click all that. You heard about us from, I heard from Google, but you can put in here, you can put Outlaw Geek if you want. That's gonna help me, right? Others, and then personalizing your account based on the preferences that you chose within sign up process. They should send you an email confirmation on your Gmail. There you go. So you'll get 2 emails. Hi there, I'm Matt from Vidyo.ai. Import your first video. So this is the second email that you get with a link to where you can import or upload your first video. So let's click on that. What you do is click on the upload file button right here. You can also, if you already have the video on YouTube, then you can also put the link here. But usually I just upload it because it's still on beta, and when it's in beta and it's just in development, there's a big possibility that you get into errors. And what I'm gonna do is upload my video, this video right here, my last video, and click on start import. I need to generate for my YouTube shorts and my Facebook reels, and then you need to select at least 3 templates. So what I've been selecting is one of these templates here. You can find it out here. This one, perhaps this one, this one. Click on continue. For the square template, just select, maybe this one, and this one, and then continue. I skipped this because I don't have TikTok, and I do have LinkedIn, but I don't share my videos there. Click on done, and then you are done with processing of your video. This can take up to 30% time of your video's length. We'll send you an email when it's done. Go to dashboard. So your video is uploading. You can see that Vidyo.ai is processing your video. It's basically cutting it, splicing it, editing it, and cropping your video and putting captions based on what you said on the video. And I'm actually really surprised of how accurate the software does the captions and the subtitles. Maybe it's because I speak a little bit clearly. I'd like to think that I speak clear English for the AI software to understand me. But I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna time it. I guess we started at around 7:16. I'll be back when it's done. 7:25. It's around 10 minutes since I've uploaded the video, and right now, as you can see, the video is done. You click on review clips, you click on the video, and you will see all these chapters that Vidyo.ai has created for you. So if you want to edit your video, you want to choose from one of these templates. Usually I choose this one here to stay in my branding, zoom in on my face. So there you go. I'm happy with that. You can change the title. And once you're done, you download. I'm pretty happy with the captions and the editing. So what you do is you download the video in 720, confirm. When you're done, you can go back to your homepage and go to downloads. You will see your short form video here. So you see the clip here. You're gonna see all your different clips on this dashboard here, or this page, and then you just click on the download clip and it will download the video, and you're ready now to upload that video on your Facebook page. I'm switching to my page, Outlaw Geek. We click on the reel button here, add a video clip, right? And then click on next button, and of course you have to add details. Then I'm gonna go to Bard and reset the chat. I guess I'm gonna use this one for this how-to video, but on the short video that I generated, I'm gonna do another prompt. And then what I'm gonna do is reset the chat. So I'm gonna do is, please help me generate a click-worthy title for a short form video that I am uploading on YouTube and Facebook. Go back to my homepage, review the clips, and find the clip here and click on the transcript button over here and copy that. Here is the transcript for the short form video. uh, can you include keywords that related keywords, of course, that related keywords that people are searching for? There you go. Yeah, the importance is more like an importance, right? So paste that there, put some hashtags, I guess. Marketing, user experience, UX, UX, design, design. And then publish. And there you go. I've published the video. And of course, this video is the how-to on how I created that short form video. Talk about hitting two birds with one stone, huh? All right, so that's how you do it. I hope you learned something from this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my Facebook page and also to my YouTube channel and for more videos like this one. Peace.